Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Hobbyist. Today I will be adding to my collection from Target. I believe it's some more Funko Pops. We'll find out, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Here's the box here. If you're not a stranger to my channel, then you will know that Target is kind of 50-50 on the condition of the goods inside. So let's see what's inside and let's see what condition it's in. Okay, well, good thing is there's a box inside this box, and there's some air pillows. So, see that. Okay. Set this to the side. And we'll open the box. Goes in the box. Let me find the seam. Okay, that's the seam. Okay. So this is at least promising. See a hard case, so that's even better. Oh yeah, and I was waiting for this. Awesome. This is a Captain America Funko Pop art series, only at Target exclusive, in a hard case. Normally you can only get this one. Well, the only other place I've seen you can get it, I shouldn't say place, the only other way I've seen you can get it is in combination with the t-shirt. And I think I might actually have a combination already, but I was wanting it individually. So I had been looking for another t-shirt combo that I was just going to open and remove the Funko Pop from inside of it and put it in a hard case, but I found already done, so I'm pretty happy with this. Everything looks good. There's the back. There's the other side. And there is the bottom. So yeah, everything looks good. I really like this art series. They have some Batman art series ones too that I've been looking at. I've purchased one, and I did purchase another on eBay. I have that one has yet to arrive, so when it gets here we'll open it. But that one was pretty cool too. But yeah, this is it. this is it for Target. Good job. It came safe, so I'm happy. All right, come back and oh, before you go, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and take care. We'll see you in the next one.